Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write a cover letter using ChatGPT. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in chatgpt.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ChatGPT website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to write a cover letter, simply write down that you wish to write a cover letter for your resume within the message box and click on the send button. You will now be asked to be provided a few details that ChatGPT will use in order to craft the cover letter that is required for you. Once you provide all of the details that are being asked of you, click on the send button and now ChatGPT will create a draft cover letter for you right away. Once the response is completed, you can copy it and paste it within your text editor and make any desired changes that you wish, such as replacing the sections where you will need to fill in your name, your address, and other details. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a cover letter using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.